I figured that this is the only way to get them to stop, to film and record. I turned off the air. Look at my messy motel room. I finally developed the physical and mental strength to damn. I had to switch bags. I finally they sometimes let the noise harassment run its course, and then after I take them off film, that's when, after I take them off film, that's when they cease all the noise abuse. But I'm gonna see how long this is gonna go. So look, messy. Me trying to straighten out and organize. I already partially cleaned the bathroom. This is senseless. I'm surprised the floor is dry. So how long is this stupidity gonna go on? They're probably gonna cut my video off. That's so annoying and torturous. Senseless. It's been so long since I left. Okay, here's my key. I was gonna say it's been so long since I left out of here that I don't even remember where my key was. See that? Boom! Don't you there. I had to just, and the bitch finally, it successfully came in, the gnat. So the moment I try to step outside, that's when they stop the harassment. Damn. So I just try to, I don't think I successfully got that fucking gnat. That came from outside and raped the opportunity to freaking come in here against my consent. It just raped and robbed the opportunity to come up, still the opportunity to come up in here. So, I'm about to turn the air back on. So this is what I would have considered like the gang stalking noise harassment test. So for me to test to see that, if I try to go outside or if I try to do this or try to do that, and they stop the instant I open the door just now or the instant I put on film, that's how you know it's part of the harassment.